Sir, inaasahan po ba yung pagpunta ng VP ngayong week na ito?
Sa ngayon, wala pa siyang nababanggit sa akin. No? Nag-usap kami kamakailan, but it was on other topics. So wala naman siyang nababanggit sa akin. But obviously, there's always that possibility, hindi ba? Like last week, di ba, bigla siyang napunta dito. So that was for a scheduled meeting na finalize lang namin, I think the night before, if not the morning, no? So there's always that possibility. Right now, I know she's in Davao, but you can never discount that possibility. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa akong masabing definite kasi wala pa rin siyang nababanggit sa akin na definite.
That is in terms of coming to the Senate lang, hindi po pag-attend ng trial. Yung pag-attend ng trial po ba, are we expecting that anytime soon?
Wala rin akong, totally wala akong nababanggit. Wala pang nababanggit. So, ibig sabihin nun, if she comes here, I also don't know if it's only for a meeting or to attend the trial itself, no? But definitely, kung may meeting naman, malalaman ko naman. Sa ngayon, wala pa naman kaming nakaset na meeting with her as far as the defense team is concerned. But of course, I wouldn't discount the possibility kung sakaling dumalo siya, no, sa trial.